Welcome to NexTechie XForce, The Brief, mapping the weekly pulse of global military innovation. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the future of warfare. So, you know all that military tech that sounds like it's straight out of a movie? Well, it's not the future anymore. It's happening right now, on actual battlefields. First up, the robot soldier is officially here. In Ukraine, a single unmanned ground vehicle, the Droid TW 12.7, held a contested crossroads for 45 straight days. It completely replaced a human infantry squad, and get this, there were 0 human casualties in that sector because of it. But the really wild part? It didn't just defend. It successfully ambushed and destroyed a Russian armored vehicle. That's a first. Second, while those robots are on the ground, Ukraine is building a massive anti-drone dome in the sky. We're talking 40,000 interceptor drones being deployed in just 1 month, including the AI-powered Octopus drone. It's a total pivot to a volume game, using cheap drones to stop cheap drones, instead of wasting million-dollar missiles. And finally, India is making a huge hypersonic power play. They've just unveiled a new anti-ship missile that travels at Mach 10, specifically designed to hunt aircraft carriers. At that speed, an enemy captain has less than 15 minutes from launch to impact. It just completely alters the naval balance of power. So yeah, the game has fundamentally changed. We've got autonomous guns holding the line, drone swarms owning the air, and hypersonic missiles making oceans feel terrifyingly small. The very definition of a soldier and a frontline just changed forever.
This was NexTechie XForce, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.